Bene, buongiorno a tutti.
Good afternoon. My name is Matteo Michelini, and I represent Natural Development Group. I will tell you about the Life Natural Agro project. Started in 2023. Time duration is 5 years. And the total budget exceeds 5 million euros, located in France, Portugal, and Italy. We are the project leader. We are accompanied by Bologna University in Italy, Camerino, and Université de Reims-Champagne in France, INEAV in Portugal. In Italy, we work with Vinidea, who's working at the dissemination of the project, and also Certiquality, which will disseminate data. We have then Vitepiù, which covers the consulting, agronomic consulting part. The project goal is to develop formulas which are innovative, PPPs, against ESCA and downy mildew, which are two of the main diseases affecting vines in Italy, and not only in Italy, causing major damage to production, with essential oil, especially innovation formulations. In 2023, we developed two formulations, one with a very low copper content of 3.5%, and the other one is entirely copper-free, so entirely free of copper. The formulations were all made of micro sap, which is a carrier produced by NTG, the company I represent, which acts as a sponge, including the macro and micro elements, and then releases them slowly, and then essential oils and zinc. The project is deployed as follows. There is first experiments in both Camerino and in the Champagne University. Laboratory tests and then in the field tests we work with Astra in Italy. In addition to that, with Vitepiù, we are working in 6 estates in the north and center of Italy, with experiments in a sort of real estate setting, small lots, but with a more realistic approach, not only samples. We started this last year. We are in Franciacorta, Chianti, and then Trentino, South Tyrol as well, Prosecco, the area of Verona, and the Collio Friulano area. I would like to rapidly show to you two results we obtained in Franciacorta and Chianti, where we tested the copper-free product against downy mildew. And with Vitepiù, we test that. This is the second year of demonstrative tests. These are results from last year with the copper-free product, as I said, a highly effective result, as similar to what is obtained with a copper product in Franciacorta on leaves and in the clusters. The same was observed with significant results also in the area of Chianti. The project adopts a circular economy approach, where we use all the substances that we can extract from the vine, and we know that they contain a number of stilbene, such as trans-resveratrol and viniferin, which can be used also in the cosmetic industry. That is part of the project, which is in progress thanks to the cooperation with Camerino University. They use these 3 methods to extract the substances. We will see whether the presence of these substances has is increasing or is constant. We expect benefits from the reducing the content of copper for the soil, and we also expect an improvement in terms of waste management and a major reduction in CO2 emissions since we exploit the pruning residues and we do not leave the shoots to rotten on the soil. This is what we are doing in 2025. We improved the copper-free formulation in that the amount of active ingredient has been increased, and also a wetting agent has been added to improve adhesion. We will launch the new formulations by the end of 2022. Possibly we can start marketing it in emergency situations earlier than that. We will definitely publish a report at the end of 2025 on the season as well, and I would kindly invite you to follow us on Facebook and in LinkedIn. You just need to enter Life Natural Agro, and you can follow what we do. And we hope that we can share additional information next year here. Thank you very much. Thank you.